Hi there. In this Culinary Fusion review, I'm going to show you a powerful tool that can help you create and sell stunning cooking and recipe ebooks online, even if you have zero design or writing skills. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before hitting that buy button. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal, a six-figure affiliate marketer with over 6 years of experience. I test tools and share honest reviews to help you grow your online income faster. If that sounds helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out. And before we dive in, I've put together some exclusive bonuses for anyone grabbing Culinary Fusion through my link below. Check the description. These bonuses are fire and will help you maximize your results. So, what is Culinary Fusion? It's a cloud-based bundle of ready-to-sell, professionally designed cooking and recipe ebooks. And the best part? You get Unrestricted Private Label Rights, PLR. That means you can edit, rebrand, and resell them anywhere. Amazon KDP, Etsy, your website, or even use them as lead magnets. No content creation, no formatting headaches, just plug and profit. Here's why this is a game changer. 100% cloud-based and beginner-friendly drag-and-drop customization. Change fonts, colors, logos, even upload your own images or videos. Unlimited exports, sell or give away as many copies as you want. One-click social sharing. Promote on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and more. This isn't just a product. It's a complete business in a box for food bloggers, coaches, freelancers, and even total newbies. Using Culinary Fusion is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, log in to the dashboard. Step 2, choose an ebook. Edit the design or content if you like. Step 3, download and start selling, or use it as a freebie to grow your email list. No technical skills needed, no complicated software, just real results. Let's take a quick look inside the dashboard so you can see exactly what you're getting. Now, let's break down the funnel and upgrades. Here's what you'll see after grabbing the main product for just $14. Front end, $14. Main Culinary Fusion bundle with hundreds of ebooks, plus unrestricted PLR license, OTO 1, $21. Pro version, unlock 200 plus new recipe ebooks and exclusive bonuses OTO 2, $29. Over 300 animated cooking recipe videos with PLR OTO 3, $37. Viral ebook and audiobook collection, all with full PLR. Each OTO stacks on the more value. Grab what fits your strategy and skip what you don't need. Here's what I love about Culinary Fusion. It's perfect for beginners. No design or tech skills needed. You can generate multiple streams of income. Pre-made, trending ebooks save you hours of work. You keep 100% of the profits. No royalties, no restrictions. Just a heads up, this isn't some get-rich-quick button. You'll still need to take action, upload, market, and promote your offers. But Culinary Fusion gives you everything you need to start fast and scale easily. If you're a content creator, blogger, digital product seller, or just want to jump into the profitable food niche with no product creation stress, Culinary Fusion is 100% for you. Click the link below to get started with Culinary Fusion today and grab my exclusive bonuses while they're still available. Use coupon code CUFU3 off to get $3 off instantly. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching my Culinary Fusion review. Drop a comment below. Are you grabbing this? Got questions? I've got your back. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more real reviews and smart ways to grow your income. Catch you in the next one.